In this video, we'll start looking at hypertext markup language, and that's a language also known as HTML that websites are written in or partly written in, and you will see HTML in web pages and websites across the World Wide Web. Now, here we are, we're looking at a HTML editor online, and it has two parts. On the left-hand side, I'm just going to zoom in, we have our HTML code, and you can see that there. We'll look at that in a second. And on the right hand side we have the actual that will be displayed on the internet. As you can see, I've got a heading and a paragraph, and we'll look at that in a little while. Now, going back to our HTML code. Now, HTML code is made of what we call elements. Now, elements have three parts. They have an opening tag, a closing tag, and the content. Now, let me just demonstrate an example. Now, we're going to be looking mostly in this area here. This is the body section of a web page, okay? And that basically means what you see on your web page is contained within this section here. Now, as you can see, the body has what we call an opening tag and a closing tag. The difference between the two is the forward slash, and this is basically telling you where one part of the web page starts and where one page ends. And inside the body you have the main components of your web page, what you will see when it's displayed on the internet. Now, we have two tags here. We have a header tag and a paragraph tag. Let's look at the header tag first. Now, the header starts with this. This is called the H1 tag, and this is the opening tag, and the closing tag for our H1 is here. The difference is this, the forward slash, and this tells you where your heading starts, the H1, and ends, the H1 closing tag with the forward slash, and anything between the tag we call the content, and this is what will be displayed on our web page. In this case, it says this is a heading, and we've got another tag here, and this is the P tag. As you can see, we have the opening P and the closing P. Again, the difference is the forward slash, and this is a paragraph tag, and this is what we use to show text on our web page. And in between our opening P and our closing P tag, we have again the content, and the content on this section, it says this is a paragraph. And now if I show you the web page, you will see that content displayed here. So it says this is a heading, and this is displaying our heading, and the paragraph says this is a paragraph, and this is where it's displayed. This is a paragraph. Okay, so in the next tutorial we'll be looking at changing these and editing our web page.